So I'll be using this Balinese cotton blend yarn from Gantsilyo Guru Selections. You may check the link below for their shop. Been really thinking of what project to make for this, and I think this is perfect. So let's start. Okay, we need a scissors or a yarn cutter, a yarn needle, and of course a 4mm hook. Gantsilyo Guru Selections has a wide variety of beautiful yarns for any project you wish to make. So let's begin with the slip knot and make a chain of 11. Now for row 1, single crochet in the second chain from the hook and single crochet in each stitch or in each chain across. Row 2, we have to chain 1 and turn, and then single crochet at the back loop only of its stitch. So from row 3 to 60 or until you reach your desired length, you just repeat this pattern, working a single crochet at the back loop of each stitch. When working with a cotton yarn, I suggest that you crochet loosely as it does not stretch easily, unlike acrylic yarns. So go ahead and I'll meet you at row 60. Okay, so when you reach your length, put both ends together and close it with a slip stitch. So now we just made the brim of the beanie. This is the wrong side, and let us flip it inside out, and let's work with the right side. So chain 1, and we're going to single crochet or to work single crochet around the ribbing. And since I made 60 rows, I'll be working 60 single crochet or 60 stitches. You may also increase the number of stitches Just make sure to always end with an even number or even number of count. Okay, slip stitch to close, and for round 2 work a single crochet in each stitch around. We just finished the round and slip stitch to close, then fasten off and cut the yarn. Okay, let's attach the new yarn, and we're here at round 3. So let's work a single crochet in each stitch around. Okay, now round 4. This is where we're going to do the bead stitch. Work a double crochet on the very first stitch. And now to do the bead stitch, yarn over and insert the hook around the post of that double crochet. Pull up a loop. You see we have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and again insert the hook around the post. We now have 5 loops. And then yarn over and insert the hook in the same stitch as to where we made our double crochet and pull through all 7 loops. And here's our first bead. Skip the next stitch and double crochet into the next. Okay, let's make another bead stitch. So yarn over and insert the hook around the post, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert around the post, yarn over and insert the hook into that same stitch, yarn over and pull through all 7 loops. I saw this bead stitch at Crochet Crochet, so if you want a more detailed instruction, you may visit her YouTube channel, Crochet Crochet. Alright, so continue with the pattern and I'll meet you at the end. Now we're here at the last, so slip stitch to close. Round 5, chain 1 and work 2 single crochet in each bead stitch space. Okay, 2 single crochet. So skip that stitch and work 2 single crochet in that space. Okay, continue working to the last. And again, you will have a total of 60 single crochet. Again, slip stitch to close, and for round 6 to 7, work single crochet in each stitch around. Once done with round 7, slip stitch to close and fasten off and cut the yarn. So we're going to attach another color, and each time we attach we use a new color or new yarn, we're just going to repeat round 3 to 7 for the next set. We're now here at round 8, so continue and I'll meet you at round 21. Okay, again repeat from round 3 to 7. Alright, here at round 21, we're going to do our decrease. Work single crochet in the next 10 stitches. Now work single crochet 2 together into the next 2 stitches. Single crochet into the next 10 and single crochet 2 together into the next 2. Repeat 4 times more. We now have a total of 55 single crochet. For round 22, single crochet into the next 9 stitches and then single crochet 2 together into the next 2 stitches. So repeat 4 times more. We'll have a total of 50 single crochet for this round. Slip stitch to close, fasten up and cut the yarn. Now for our last color, work a single crochet in each stitch around. This is round 23 and we'll have a total of 50 single crochet. For round 24, do the bead stitch and we'll have a total of 25 beads. At round 25, work single crochet in each bead stitch space. Remember, we made two single crochet before. This time we're just going to work one single crochet in each space. So that's for a total of 25 single crochet for this round. Alright, for the last two rounds, we're just going to work single crochet in each stitch around. That would be rounds 26 and 27. Okay, so slip stitch to close, finish off, and cut the yarn, and then weave the tail. For the drawstring, make a chain of 100 or as long as you want. And then we're just going to attach it using the yarn needle in and out of round 2, round 3 from the top. So that's it. We have our messy bun beanie, which can also be converted to a semi-slouchy beanie. So I hope you enjoy this tutorial, and I do hope you help me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching. God bless everyone.